let's take a look at the Fang 20 automatic scrubber from Viper. The Viper Fang 20 offers the best value in small battery automatic scrubbers today. Let's talk a little bit about the features and then the operation of the machine. In terms of features, the 20-inch category of scrubbers is the largest in the industry. Viper's Fang 20 offers 13-gallon clean solution tanks as well as a 15-gallon recovery tank. A 20-inch wide cleaning path gives great productivity with up to 20,000 square feet per hour.
The brush operates at 200 RPM.
With 50 pounds of floating pad pressure, give great floor cleaning capabilities as well. Simple to use operator panels located at the back of the machine make everything for operation of the machine within hand's reach of the operator. A squeegee system that is curved in nature with 2 blades and a no tools replacement feature makes it the most easy to use, replaceable squeegee in the market today. The battery compartment serves a couple purposes. Of course, it houses our batteries in a safe, sealed compartment, but also includes our automatic charger. So the machine can be charged at a remote location, wherever there's an outlet, without having to take it back to a storage location. All controls an operator will use on the machine are located within hand's reach, from adjustable water output to the squeegee lowering mechanism to an adjustable console to power, brush, and water releases. Everything is easy to use, quick to access for the operator, and backed by the best warranty in the business. The Fang 20 carries a 12-year warranty on the polyethylene housing and 5 years on most of its components. Viper offers the longest warranty compared to any other manufacturer on the market today. At Viper, we want to do everything we can to make it easy and convenient for the operator to use the machine. We know that the first part that an operator will have to replace on a machine is the squeegee blade. We know that, so we put an extra one on the machine for you, located right on the back of the machine. Learning how to use the Fang 20 is easy. Fang 20 automatic scrubbers are easily filled from the front of the machine by opening this port door, holding hose to the screen, and filling it up. Of course, the screen works as a protection to keep objects from falling into the clean fill tank. In really tight janitor closet applications, sometimes it's easier to fill the machine from the back. Our clean fill tank has a sight tube located in the back that doubles as a fill mechanism. Operating components of the Fang 20 include 3 simple switches. One for vacuum power, one for brush power, and one for water power. You'll notice even though these switches are on, they are not lighted, nor has any water been dispensed to the floor. Nothing moves and no water flows until the operator pulls these control switches, at which point both the water light as well as the brush light light up to show that they are in operation. Other control features on the machine include a battery charging indicator showing full charge down to need to get it recharged again. Squeegee operation is a very simple lever, no motors, no actuators to go wrong in a long-term setting. A very simple control mechanism for the squeegee to drop it to the floor and raise it again. Fully variable water control with the Fang 20, from an absolute drip, misting cleaning motion to a flood puddle. Again, all control of water flow gauged by the operator when the control levers are pulled. The foot-operated pedal lowers the brush deck to the floor or raises it for storage and transport modes. Very simply, pushing on the deck brush and pulling it out releases it, and pushing it back down brings it up for storage application. To begin scrubbing with the Fang automatic series, first turn the key on, lower the squeegee to the floor, make sure the brush deck is on the floor, and turn on the switches. After that, it's as simple as pulling the trigger and walking. When finished scrubbing, let go of the triggers, turn off the water, move forward to vacuum up all water, raise the squeegee with the vac motor still running to suck up all the water out of the squeegee and the hose. Then power down and take your key with you. When scrubbing is complete, the clean fill tank is emptied by virtue of this clear drain hose into a slop sink. Proper emptying of the recovery tank includes raising the tank onto a kickstand, lowering the recovery tank hose, and in this way all water flows on an angle to the recovery hose. During this final segment, we will explain some key maintenance steps to keep your Fang 20 working at peak performance. One of the most important maintenance tips we can offer is to make sure you clean that recovery tank out well. There are a number of steps to it, but they're very easy. First of all, the float shutoff mechanism can be removed by hand and is easily rinsed out in a sink to remove dust and debris. Secondly, when draining the recovery tank, the easiest way is to open the tank, raise the kickstand, and in so doing, all the water flows to the back corner of the tank where the recovery hose happens to be located. After emptying the tank, periodic rinsing of the recovery tank will keep your scrubber smelling fresh and more of a pleasure to use. Very simply, take a hose, rinse out the sidewalls of the scrubber itself, and watch it flow out of the recovery hose until you have clear water. The most important ongoing maintenance you can have for any automatic scrubber is making sure you have a very clean squeegee. It prevents streaking on the floor in operation. Dirt, debris can lodge inside either one of these blades. Never use your bare hand because you've got debris from the floor. Use a clean rag and simply wipe down those blades to make sure the channel is free and the pathway open. Maintenance and care of the Fang 20 includes getting up under the scrub deck in front. An important point with safety for this machine is to always remove the squeegee assembly from the machine before tilting it back. Squeegee is easily removed set to the side, and then the machine can be tilted to access both the brush in front as well as cleaning the solution tank filter located up under the deck. A few other maintenance tips include recharging the batteries after every use and storing the squeegee assembly in the up position to prevent any damage to the blades. Proper battery care for lead-acid batteries is critical to high-performance and Viper Fang scrubbers. Let's go over 7 points of maintenance for a lead-acid battery. First, ensure the charger is properly matched to the batteries in the machine. Number 2, new batteries should be fully charged prior to their first use. Third, batteries should be charged when there is one green dot remaining on the battery level indicator lights of the Fang scrubber. 4, batteries should be visually inspected at each charge interval. 5, open the vent caps and check the electrolyte levels in each cell.
Use only distilled water to top off the electrolyte level until the fluid is 1/8 of an inch above the plates. Number 6. After charging, open battery vent caps and check electrolyte levels in each cell. Again, using only distilled water, replenish each cell until there is the fluid level 1/4 inch below the bottom of the fill point. Number 7. Never ever overfill the batteries. This will dilute the electrolytes and can cause leakage of battery acid onto the floor or the scrap.